Hey guys, I'm Mo.
And I'm Rebecca, and welcome to our channel Mr. Explorer.
So this channel is mainly about traveling and having fun.
And we want to share with you our adventures, which we do in different countries, because we like to travel a lot and we like to video what we do, so our vlogs are here to share what we do and what we like.
And keep in mind, this channel is only about traveling itself and not political.
With this channel we want to build a community around the world with people that like to travel and share their experiences.
Exactly. For our first adventure we decided to go to Israel, because in Germany it's very cold and in Israel it is so hot right now. So yeah. And Becky tells you more about the episodes. Let's go!
So day one we were in Tel Aviv, so we landed in Tel Aviv, and this day we mainly explored Tel Aviv. We went to Old Jaffa and to the beach, and then we took the train to Haifa.
Yeah, the train ride was okay and pretty cheap. And in Haifa we went to the Badi Gardens, but they were already closed. So we just took a hike, and yeah, that was the day. On day two we got our rental car and went to the seaside reserve in Rosh Hanikra. And in the afternoon we went to the Keshet Cave.
So on day 3 we went to two different waterfalls. The one was the Banias waterfalls and the other one was the Ayun waterfalls. And after that we went swimming in the Sea of Galilee near Tiberias.
So on day 4 we took a hike in the Yehudiha National Reserve, and that was pretty much everything for the day. It was a long hike, and afterwards we drove to Jerusalem.
So on day 5 we were the whole time in Jerusalem and explored the old city with all the different quarters.
On day 6 we went to the Mountain of Olives, and after that we drove to the Dead Sea, Ein Gedi, and took a bath.
So on day 7 we watched the sunrise at the fortress of Masada and had a little walk around Masada, and then in the afternoon we went swimming in the Dead Sea again, because it's super cool.
So on day 8 we explored the desert and we drove to Mitzpe Ramon to see the... My English is not so good. I always have this German accent, so...
So on day 9 we went to the Ein After National Park, and after that to the Timna Park, and then we drove to Eilat to give back our rental car, and then we had a swim in the Red Sea.
So on day 10 we visited the Red Canyon and went to the beach again.
On day 11 we went snorkeling in the Red Sea to see a coral reef, and then we went to the dolphin reef to see some dolphins. And after that we went once again swimming.
Yeah. So here you have it, guys. That's our route. So in these 11 days we were able to visit the whole country.
And we saw so many different things, like there were mountains, there were waterfalls, we were in the desert, the Red Sea and the Dead Sea, and just like so many different things.
I hope you enjoy our vlogs. They will be uploaded weekly, I think. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.
So you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and we will post photos of our daily adventures. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.
Bye bye!